slides, bunnies hop and squirrels spin. A playful pup jumps with a grin. Ducks go quack and splash in rain, then waddle back in a waddly chain. Cows go moo and chew their hay. Horses neigh and love to play. Chirping birds fly in the sky, while ants march quietly walking by. Goats skip rocks and climb up high. Foxes peek with a clever eye. The sun shines bright, the breeze is sweet. Barefoot kids with muddy feet. The turtles crawl so calm and slow, while buzzing bees go to and fro. Each new sound and furry face turns the field to a happy place.